I know, it's been a really long time since I made an update to the XRI Starter Kit, but that time is finally here, and let me show you guys some updates. The big update is that this is now on Unity 6 with XRI 3.07. That took quite a bit more work than anticipated. I'm terrified to do that at my job. Doing the same thing, upgrading from 2.0 to 3.0, they made significant changes that made it pretty hard to upgrade. But with that said, let's quickly go over the changes. I'll make separate videos on all of the features that dive a little bit deeper. This is going to be a quick video. If this is not on the Unity store yet, when this video is up, you can go over to the GitHub page right here and go down to the right side and click on releases. And there's the package right there for you to download. Do not try and update a project that has poses that are significant to your project. This will override it because everything is done differently now. But absolutely do open this in a brand new project, install that package, go to project settings, turn on initialize XR startup and open XR. Since I'm using an Oculus headset, I'm using Oculus Open XR and turning on all the controller profiles that I need. One of the most significant updates to this is that the poses are now using ScriptableObjects. I made this probably 8 years ago for my job, and ScriptableObjects were so new back in 2016, 2017 that I just did not use them. But now they are, so now you can click on it, and it's really easy to find and select your poses, which is also why it's going to break your project if you have a previous version. But I did make a tool, and that'll be in a different video on how to update your project. The next new feature is the Zipline, which is still using my climbing system, XR Toolkit's climbing system. Everything is private, and I just can't make anything like ziplines or anything cool like that. And as we look around, we can see mostly everything is pretty close to being the same. There's still this terrible bowling game I made during COVID. I wanted to go bowling, and yeah. The forklift no longer crashes with articulating rigid bodies. It does need a little bit of love, but I wanted to get this project out as soon as possible. If we float over to the fire hands, we now have a level 1 and a level 2 because they now do damage to, I guess, just the zombies right now. Which also means that everything does damage. The torches, they can damage the zombies. The bowling balls, you can chuck them and they will kill the zombies. And if you possibly got the tank to shoot the zombies, that will also kill the zombies. On the surface, that's pretty much it. It now works with Unity 6 and XRI 3.0. We got a zipline, a new zombie game, and there's probably a lot more to come soon. It's still free right now while there's still plenty of bugs, especially with the big upgrade, so get it while you can.